Hello guys! It's me again, Lakwatserong Butiki. Mula sa simbahan ng Bambang, Bulacan, ang San Isidro Labrador Parish, nandito na ako ngayon sa makasaysayang simbahan ng Bulacan, ang Diocesan Shrine and Parish of Nuestra Señora de la Asunción. Magkalapit lang sila ng San Isidro Parish. Samahan niyo ako dito guys. In the historic town of Bulacan, one of the most prominent municipalities on Bulacan province because of its rich history, both national and religious, is the centuries-old parish of Nuestra Señora de la Asunción of Bulacan, where its miraculous patronage became the silent witness and guiding star in the faith and history of the people of Bulacan that would later play a role to shape national and religious history of our country. There were three images of Nuestra Señora de la Asunción that is venerated in this historic parish in Bulacan. First is the stone image of the Virgin of the Assumption enthroned at the facade of the church. The image is that of the Virgin standing with her hands on a prayer position, wears a white dress and blue cloak, sports a long and wavy hair falling gracefully on her shoulders, and wears a crown. The second image is the famed De Vista image of the Blessed Virgin Mary, where she is depicted on the moment of her glorious assumption into heaven. One of the most iconic look of this image is the way her vestment flows and arranged as if the wind is blowing her cloak. Her face shows a lovely and heavenly expression with her smiling eyes looking upwards to heaven. The beholder would see her right hand raised up to the heavens, and her left arm is raised slightly rest. The image would often wear a veil and a crown at times, while there were times she wouldn't yet. The diagnostic 12 estrellas is constantly present. The devotion to Nuestra Señora de la Asunción de Bulacan began when the parish and the first church was established by the Augustinian Fathers in 1575 as a sub-parish of Tondo. In 1578, the town of Bulacan was proclaimed a separate parish from Tondo. It was during this time that the first image of Nuestra Señora de la Asunción was placed at the facade of the church, and it is said that the numerous miracles were reported through her help, and the first feast in her honor was held that same year. According to church historical marker, during the British invasion in 1762, the Bulacan church was razed by fire, yet the image survived. It is said that the church became the quarters of Governor General Simon de Anda during the British invasion of the country, and the people defended the exiled Spanish government from the invaders. The construction of the present church and convent was started in 1812 by Father Gaspar Fulgar, OSA. The church was subsequently repaired after experiencing damages over the centuries. The church is the site where Filipino General Gregorio del Pilar secretly distributed the infamous Dasalan at Tuksuhan pamphlets made by his uncle Marcelo H. del Pilar, a prominent member of the propaganda movement during the late 1800s. It is also said that when the revolutionary forces headed by General Gregorio del Pilar was burning the town, he ordered his troops to spare the church out of respect to the Virgin. It was also in this parish that the Flores de Mayo tradition was introduced by Reverend Father Mariano Sevilla, who was assigned in this parish during the same time period. There was an older altar image of the Virgin of the Assumption that was also brought by the Spanish friars in 1578 that was unfortunately lost during the early part of the 20th century with two probable reasons. First was the destruction of the image during World War II when the Japanese forces invaded Bulacan in 1942. Second was during the renovation of the parish altar in 1946 during the term of Reverend Father Silvestre Cruz, and it is said that it was entrusted to a certain family and it got lost in oblivion as of this writing. By 1956, the present venerated image of Nuestra Señora de la Asunción was commissioned from Talleres de Maximo Vicente. The 1956 image of Nuestra Señora de la Asunción became the most recognized image of the centuries-old parish and the rest of Bulacan province. The devotion to the Virgin, most specifically to the elaborately visited 1956 image, grew in a span of decades, and miracles were also reported through her intercession. The 1956 image became the altar and processional image for the longest time until a new ivory Vista image of Nuestra Señora de la Asunción was controversially enthroned in 2013. The placement of the new image was deemed controversial because some of the lay leaders insisted on this move without census or consultation that met with resistance for years until it was settled in 2020 when His Excellency Bishop Dennis Villarojo ordered the re-enthronement of the well-beloved 1956 image. The ivory image was returned to its donor and it is set for re-enthronement rites on September 8, 2020. In a span of centuries, numerous miracles were reported that are attributed to her miraculous intercession. One of the earliest known miracles of the Virgin happened during the British invasion, where it is said that while the British forces are preparing for their meals near the vicinity of the church, the food suddenly turned into worms, that the forces immediately flee from Bulacan. During times of pandemics or pestilence, the faithful would brought out the image of the Virgin for a rogational procession to ask for her intercession to cease the plagues. It is also noteworthy that since the month of August is within the rainy season in the country, Rains would pour hard days before her fiesta, yet it on feast day itself, the skies were clear with no rain in sight. Due to the numerous miracles attributed to her intercession and to the historical significance of the parish, in 2020, Bishop Dennis Villarojo, D.D., granted the image the honor of episcopal coronation and elevated the historic parish to the status of a diocesan shrine. The coronation and shrine elevation rites took place on November 28, 2020. The reception of this news was met with much joy, and despite the restriction due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the historic parish was packed with devotees from the town and other parts of Bulacan and neighboring provinces. The devotion to the Lady of the Assumption of Bulacan, Bulacan continues to develop, evolve, and gaining much devotees over the years. A confraternity was established to systematize and propagate the devotion to the graceful Lady of Bulacan. The Feast of the Assumption of Our Lady in Bulacan, Bulacan is celebrated with much color and solemnity, from a beautiful dance to the tune of the Dalit ng Galak and the chant of Viva Asuncion in honor their beloved patroness. The festivities would conclude with a solemn procession of the Virgin, accompanied by the patron saints of different chapels under its jurisdiction, including the famed Santa Ines de Bulacan. The Virgin continues to be the gracious guiding star in Bulacan, Bulacan. We see in the history of the devotion to the Virgin of the Assumption of Bulacan how the Virgin became the silent witness of the evolving history of the Philippine Catholic Church and Philippine history itself. Mula naman dito sa Bulacan, Bulacan, babalik muna ako doon sa Valenzuela City. Mayroong antigong simbahan doon na ang pangalan ay San Diego de Alcala Parish. Abangan niyo ako doon, guys. Bye-bye!